Hello there, this is Alena again. We continue to talk about Cerebro integrations. Today we will show you how to connect Discord. Integrating with messengers allows linking tasks in Cerebro with chats. This helps to receive information and communicate without the need to log into the system, discuss files, and send commands for convenient work with freelancers and clients. Use the desktop or web version to create a chat. Let's go to Cerebro. You can link individual tasks as well as a group of tasks with chats. We will show how to create a chat in Discord for a specific task. You can create an external chat in the context menu or the action menu. Right-click on the task you need and select External Chats option. Click on the Discord icon and copy the first link to connect to the server. If you have already connected the bot before, skip this step. The link should be passed into the address bar in any browser. Then the Discord login window will open. Use the QR code or the standard login method. After that, select your server from the drop-down list. You must have management rights and click Continue. Confirm that you are willing to grant administrator rights to the bot and click Authorize. Now you can proceed to the server for further setup. Link your Cerebro and Discord accounts through the bot using login command. The verification code will be emailed to you. Send it to the bot in a message. If you have accounts on different servers, you will need to enter the code twice. The bot should be added only once. We can additionally configure the chat before its creation. Choose the language that Cerebro will use to interact with users. The access right configuration determines the permissions for Discord to get messages from the task. By default, this is the chat creator. If you want only visible to the client messages to be sent to the chat from the task, select a user with the appropriate rights. You can send the message history from the forum to the chat or start from scratch. The chat receives links to the original task of the message. You can choose how should a link be opened, via web or desktop. You can configure the messages that will be sent to the task. By default, all messages are sent, if the author's accounts are linked. This can be limited to sending only those messages that were written using a reply to a message from the task, or by using a special command send. Choose what exactly will be sent to the chat from the task, both messages and files, or only one of them. From the chat you can send not only simple messages, but also reports indicating hours spent and task status, switching using the report command. The task status can always be changed manually using the status command. To link a task and a chat in Discord, open Action menu in Cerebro, External Chats, and copy the last link. On the Discord server, select the desired chat and pass the link to the task using the add command. Messengers and files are already loading. The report command will help you to send a report. We send the report with a PDF file and the status pending review, indicating that we spent 40 minutes on the task. This was displayed on Discord and on the Cerebro forum. You can find out about other capabilities of the bot. To do this, type a / in the chat. The bot can help you remove links between accounts, change the language of communication, update chat, and download files. You can integrate not only tasks but also pages from MySpace into chats. To do this, go to the MySpace tab, create and save a page. Then the External Chats button will appear. On this page, all tasks from the animation project in the could be beta status are displayed. You can customize the necessary selection using various criteria. The page must be saved for the universe to make external chats button available. Click on the external chats button, Discord, follow the instructions and copy the connection link. Use add command and the copied link to connect. We have demonstrated the integration capabilities with Discord. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for staying with us. Subscribe to our Telegram channel to be the first to receive all the news.